What is going on, guys, and welcome back to Touchdowns to Home Runs. My name's Bernie. Thank you for joining us today on the Touchdowns to Home Runs show. I hope that your day is going absolutely fantastic. Now, today, we're going to be doing a player profile breakdown of Jardin Gilbert, the 6'1", 175-pound safety who just made the decision to commit to the Texas A&M Aggies. Now, coming into this commitment, it was pretty much a complete toss-up and a three-way tie between the Oklahoma Sooners, the LSU Tigers, and the Aggies, but he's now fully committed to Texas A&M. According to the 24/7 Sports Football Ranking System, Jardin Gilbert is rated as a 4-star recruit. He's ranked as the number 8 overall recruit in the state of Louisiana. He's ranked as the 11th best safety in his class, and he's ranked as the number 165th overall recruit in the recruiting class of 2021. He's a bit undersized at the safety position, but he does have good length. He's a good athlete with really good instincts and coverage. He's got good timing and plays well downhill. He's a willing tackler, but again, I would say the main thing he needs to improve on when he does reach the collegiate level is just adding more size and muscle to his frame. For the recruiting class of 2021, before the signings that happened today, Texas A&M's recruiting class already ranked number 7 nationally. They had one 5-star recruit, and this now marks their 14th 4-star signing of the class. If you guys did make it to this point in the video, thank you. Let me know your thoughts on the signing down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to Touchdowns to Home Runs for more commitment breaks just like this. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again next time.